Alright, this is the Nosik INSAN3 Clown Show.
Whoop, whoop.
This is INSAN3.
We're here with fucking Chainsaw Thugz.
What you see, bitch?
Bros. Can you get out of the camera, if you please?
No fat guys in the camera.
This right here.
No fat guy in the camera.
Hatchet Riders in the house.
Whoa. Hatchet Riders.
Hatchet Rider president right here.
Hatchet Rider
You already know who to go after.
Welcome to the Nosik INSAN3 Clown Show.
Oh, fuck!
Interview's over.
Interview's over. Oh, my bad.
We're here with Hatchet Done Neck Row.
I'll let you conduct the interview.
We just got here and we
All right.
Just hearing the popos already want to get it. Shit, we ain't even fucking 10 minutes out of the hood and they already got it.
So you want to start asking the questions?
So what inspired y'all for y'all's music? Who, rather? Well, that's a given.
How long were y'all a fan of Eminem?
Yes. Especially you right there in the green.
honestly,
I only like the peanut one.
check it out. When we were young, before we even became real juggalos, dog, we liked Eminem just because he was wicked. But after we find out about all that other bullshit,
Got a fat guy.
and still to this day, even though it's squashed it, I'm still gonna have a little bit of resentment. So it is what it is.
Boom shakalaka.
Okay.
If y'all can give a shout out right now, who y'all can give a shout out to?
We give a shout out to all the real motherfuckers like YTK, Uncle Criminals, some rap group that started in the West Side. They're real gangster rappers because they're actually doing fucking 40 years in prison for killing motherfuckers. I give them a shout out just because of that. I want to give a shout out
to my left nut for being so humble. My right nut is just hanging.
I want to give a shout out to any of y'all fat bitches that want some.
Okay, Jason Voorhees, get the fuck out the camera. This guy.
No fat Jason.
Give a shout out to ICP. Give a shout out to Tech9.
Go ICP, baby.
And give a shout out to any real ass wicked juggalo that sees this. Who's a real motherfucker. Hit us up. Anybody who's really repping the hatchet is really fucking down. Keep doing that shit. You fake or you ain't about it.
And y'all want to step up and all that.
This guy's trying to show his pellet guns back there.
Hey, my pelicans have put many people in the hospital, dog.
Already. Oh, you almost tricked me.
There's one more.
One more what?
One more person he's gonna put in the hospital because he almost tripped you.
Oh, shit.
So what songs y'all doing here tonight?
We'll do 3 songs. First song is gonna be called I Am a Killer. Second one's gonna be Post Up. Third one's gonna be a song called Evo.
Evo, baby.
There are 3 different genres of song. First one's real gutter rap, horrorcore. The second one's kind of a down south representing for Texas.
Screwed up boys, you know what I'm
For the
saying?
hood, for the real juggalo gangsters out there. And the third one's gonna be on the rock tip. And I hope,
And then there's gonna be
Like
one called
Twisted,
Sticking
baby.
It Upside Nitro.
Sick shit.
What?
Sick shit. Sick, like sick in the head, like neck, sick in the head, like not sick in the head and sick in the little head on the bottom too.
Crazy ass.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, I
Niggas
fuck
need to be locked
prostitutes.
up in fucking cages.
Hey, yo, fat bitches need loving too. They just gotta pay.
man. This little maniac with a motherfucking chainsaw
Hey, actually,
repping that P-Bro click 210 West Side Saranto Casianos, baby. Look for it.
Y'all don't know?
Those motherfuckers.
Better ask about it.
Y'all wanna know? Besides the rap thing, we got a Juggalo clique, which is the first thing we rap. And that's B-Bros.
B-Bro.
Psychopathic Brotherhood. And we rap that shit like a clique to the fullest. Ready to fight.
Or you
ready
could be
to
a
do
fucking
anything.
hatchet rider.
Already.
You be a hatchet rider.
That's all I gotta say.
You saw it first right here on the Nosik INSAN3 Clown Show. Whoop, whoop.
What's up, man? I got UTK.